Hello everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to our link. Today we're going to talking about electric car again. Hello everybody. This is hello, we're back. Welcome new guys and old friends. Yesterday, coming to our living room to talking about the electric cars. Today we will go talking about the questions and problems we want to talking. Everybody can send a message on this right now. So if you have any right now, please send the message on the side. Models, brochures. This is the model. Welcome new guys. Welcome new guys. Over here, and use handbar drive. Passenger cars. You can take 3 passengers, 1 driver, and 2 passengers in the rear. Also, we can make this car to the steam, make the car design to the handbar types to drive. So if you would like this car, just send us email to contact. Its model is Z1. It's a 4-wheel electric mini car. Speed 45. Driving distance 80 kilometers for 1 charge. Charging time is 8 hours. Welcome new guys. Driving M2. M2 is a real passenger cars. It's a big, to replace the gasoline car. The size of the M2 is bigger, and the specification and the air condition this car in downtown and from one city to another city. So M2 cars is a little expensive. It have different types. The cheap specification and her expensive specification. The basic price is 2,200 for this Z model Z1. Yes, this model Z1 is already legal to drive in the world, in the many countries, European countries, Africa, South Africa, Australia, because we apply a certificate of EEC. So it can be driving and apply a number plate on the road to drive, and it's also legal to import with low import duty. It's okay, thank you, Mr. Praveen. So everybody, if you like this, if you're interested about this electric car, so you can share this chatting room with your friends and talking about them. In the background is a real car passenger tricycle with maximum 5 passengers. It's without doors, so it's better to driving in the parking, or you're driving for. It's a factory price $1,300. Second one. This model is also electric for battery power drive. The driver was sitting in front. Maximum can sit 2 passengers, 2 people in the front. And in the rear, you will see it's a cargo box. This box can put at the warm cape or cooling, can use this as a selling car on the street. Popular means 3 wheels, so it don't have too much limit to drive on the road and apply number plate. This model is also cheap. It's 1,500. Yeah, hello guys, we just checked our faster internet. We're back. The second model we're talking is this model. It's an electric tricycle for cargo. It's a full cargo box. Also can make the open types cargo box like this. This is a fully cargo tricycle. 2 passengers in the driving cabin, and the rear can take the cargo. Welcome new guys coming to our living chat room. Anybody, if you're interested about the electric car, you can send message here. From here is a QR code. QR code is you can scan to our website to see more detailed models and specifications and more. If you interest anyone, just click the website and send us the email. We will reply you about the details. Anybody who want to import this car, you must be know electric car is a new products to import. So you need to ask your local department and police station if this type electric car is allowed to drive on the road, and how much the import tax of it. Most country, the EV cars import duty is 0 or less than 20%, because the government was support the electric car to like France, Germany, and Denmark, England, Norway, and Holland, and Spanish. This country, the import duty is very, very low, nearly to 5%, or some countries it's 10% duty tax. So it's a good idea if you're interested about this car, and also it's good if you want to open. Then we're talking about another one. This model This model is a passenger type electric cabin truck. It has 3 aluminum wheel. Front it's also aluminum wheel. It has the disc brake and rear mirrors. A door is over here, and here is a window. It's a 3-wheel model types electric truck. In this truck, it can seat 3 people. One in the front is in the rear seats as a basket to put your shopping bags or your sport tools or machine tools in the rear. So some people, some customers buy this car as a repair tools. He put his phone number here, and put his tools as a laundry car. And also some people food delivery car in this cabin. This truck, the wide size is only 1.3 meter, so it's very small size of the side, so it can driving on the side road driving freely. So anybody have questions about the electric car? Any kind of questions you want to know, just type the words in the chatting side on YouTube channel. Also from our YouTube channel, Universeecar, you will see the video of the real cars testing and showing from our YouTube channel. YouTube channel, you can also search Universeecar, UNIVERSEEcar. This one, Mr. Burbin. This one is driving distance is for one full charge. Price is about 1,800 at the factory price. The price is based on the dealer price. We normally deliver the car by container. One container can loading for 10 pieces of this car. From this photo, you will see our dealers, workshops, and motor trucks, our dealerships, our dealer shops in the exhibition. It will be super cool to make an electric vehicle that can also use as a boat on water. Oh, it's a good idea. Good idea. But for now, we should make the electric car better quality and high technology. Then we should think about more. And from this photo, you will see our customers and dealers. You're right. This customers to a factory to checking the model. This is our dealers workshop, and this car are all supplied by us. 3 models cabins. This is our shop beside the road in the shopping center. We sell the cars. Here is our customer dealers to show the trucks in the exhibition. This is customers use the pickup, make a showing on the street. This is our shop showing motor cars. This is our customer cars. This customers workshop building. Here is also the car showing. A lot of people here. Yeah, this orange one, yes. Here is our customers' workshop in 3 floors. Have many electrical parts, doors, windows, structures. Here is the electric car parking in the park. This is also the customers, dealers, service shop workshop. It's very big. Yeah, thank you, Mr. TrueTech. Yeah, you're right. Different cars have different function. So if you want interest anyone, you should know which kind of function you want to be. Then go to next one. Mr. TrueTech, you mean which factory? Because our dealers in the last years, yeah, this year due to the virus, the sales quantity is not so big. But in the past years, one dealer can sell 300 cars 1 year. In your country, in your smart country, his country has only 1 million people. It's a small country, but he can sell 300 cars 1 year. Yeah, we hope the virus will be under control soon, and the sales promotion will be better. But from now on, we just hope more and more people like our trucks, like our cars. Yes. Good news. Mr. Pravin, our company is located in China. Did you come to China? Let's go on talking this model. This model is a totally passenger truck with 4 doors, and in the rear also have doors. So we can use it as our taxi taxi car. In some Asian countries, in India city, yeah, CNC machine parts. Yes, I know. I also learned about the CNC laser jet machine. I know this. Yeah. If you want to visit China, you should make a plan in September. In September, because now the virus is still still exist. So anyone want to come to China must be apply from the embassy. In India, we don't have dealers because this car it don't have the competitive with the total cars. India total cars is very cheap, and it's um, very popular. Many people know it. Our tricycles are most popular for some Europe countries. Yes, India. Yeah. Canada weather is good. Canada, we have one dealer in Montreal city. He can sell the electric truck like this one. In Canada, we have a dealer sell these models. It's a 3-wheel cabin truck. Yeah. This model are selling in Canada by our local dealers in Montreal. They are both 3 wheels for passenger enclosed and ring assist tricycle. Yeah, we are trying. But as we all know, the workers are becoming less because the technology increasing boom. More and more factory use the robot to produce the electric car. Because the workers is less and less, and the workers' salary is increased day by day. So keep a low price for the car is more and more difficult. But anyway, we will make new models suitable for the country to use. Anybody like this car, you can go to our website and scan this QR code. This QR code to our website, Universeecar, and send us email. This model is GI003, GI01. Yes, The elect. So one important thing I should tell everybody is our electric cars is common and cheap easily because any one of our electric car can be charged at the home power 100 and 111 voltage and 220 voltage to charge at home charge. You don't need to set up, and the battery you can take it out to your and charge at home. Just like you charge your mobile phone, the battery can take out and to charge at home. So you don't need to make and build a charge station like some like the Tesla cars. Tesla cars must be use a special charge station, but our cars don't need it. Yes. Also, if you have some place or ground, you can build a solar panel station to charge the tricycle and the cars. It's also energy saving. If your city is not convenient, you can also get a gas generator to charge the tricycle. Yes. Most of the cars can be driven on the side road. Only the car like a M2 can be driven on the free road. So the price for the car M2 is expensive. Yes, we have that plan. Gas generator, it's better to extend a long range. Welcome back. Yeah, more and more car factory are turned to design and new electric cars. The H model, how to say? We test a model. It can driving at least 200 kilometers with an extension machine. 200 kilometers. Yes, you're right, Mr. True Tech. Just like the second hand of Toyota or Honda or second hand. M2 is affordable in European countries and American cities. Yeah. we're more likely to sell our electric cars by the dealers or distributors in the country and the cities, because um, because if their car is make a break or get an accident, some spare parts need replace. He must be go to the dealership to replace it. It's better. So if you buy this car in a local, yeah, if you buy this car in a dealership, you can service and have maintenance in the dealership monthly. It's better. Okay, thank you, Mr. TrueTech. KGD. Okay, thank you. We will talking about it. Most people asking us how to maintain the electric car. From here, I told everybody our electric cars, our so how to say, our electric car is small and mini. It don't need maintenance like the oil cars. This electric car is supported by the battery and driving by the motor and controlled by the controller. So nothing spare parts and nothing oil was put inside the car. So this car is nearly no need any maintenance during the drive, unless there has any break or accident. You need to replace it in your dealerships. Yeah. For some personal customers, you can also buy this car. Don't worry about the maintenance or repair, because some spare parts we will send from a factory original spare parts for you to replace it, and most people can replace the parts under our instructions freely. So don't worry about the break and the repair. Yes. All of the spare parts are available and support to repair or replace. For now, with the most important problem is the battery. And the battery, if you buy and use the battery in your local city or your country brand, that will be very better, because the local battery supplier can give you a much more longer warranty about the battery. But you can also buy the battery from us. Welcome back. Welcome new guys. Hello. Welcome new guys. Park members. Yeah, Pakistan. How to say Pakistan? Pakistan is very good. Yeah, we have. The battery size decide the electric car driving range. If you want a long range, just use a big battery and more power to storage the battery, so it can have a long range. But also the big battery and the cost of the cost will be increased. If you want a low cost cars, you can just choose the standard battery we specified for you. Yeah, lithium battery is normally have a long range than the standard battery. Yeah, good, Mr. TrueTech. Your wisdom. Lithium battery is it's better. You can search on YouTube. They have the video to teach you how to make the lithium battery pack. It's very easy. The standard battery we use for our car can let this car to driving at a good performance, and the price is low cost. But if you have a more powerful, more long range, you can also ask us. We will suggest you a big battery and a high quality distance. You're right. For now, I told you guys the truth. In China, if your age is about 20 or 15, if your age is 15, you can buy and drive or electric scooter legally. So in China, almost everyone adopt scooter. The scooter is very common in China, and some family have 3 or 5 scooter. Everybody have a scooter. We take scooter to go to work, go home, and go to different cities. Go use this scooter to deliver food, and use these scooters to do anything we want. So in China, you can't see any motorcycles in the city. So electric bikes is very popular. Yeah, so the electric scooter is helpful for the weather, but now in some countries, like us type of motorcycles, people go these motorcycles as the first transportation tools. So it's time to change the electric scooters as transportation tools. It's a safety, and it's quiet, it's no sound, it's no pollution, and it's easy to. Okay, guys, today our living is still have 1 hour. We will be close this living at 6 o'clock. So if anybody have questions, just talking here in the living room. Yeah, we have this. Yeah, electric cabin scooter can let you to driving on the raining and the cold days. This model it can driving in the raining days. It can driving in the snow days. It can drive in the winter days, and it also can drive in the windy days. So don't worry about the sun too hot or too cold. Anybody can drive this. Anybody like this. It's warm and comfortable to drive in any time. Stable and warm. Yeah, and this model, something like this model. We move the wheels in the front two wheels and rear one wheels. We have a new model, and we will update it later on the YouTube channel and the website. You will see it. It's car body style. We can also make the cars as a metal frame, totally stainless steel frame, more strong. Yes, it's for the turning around. So today the living time is only 15 minutes left. Yeah, North America is a big market. Denmark. Oh, Denmark. Oh, 8,000 is too much. 8,000 is too much. You can got a car from us at at the half cost. Yeah, now we are working on the on our customer in Canada. His name is Frank. Allowance to import to Canada. Now he's applying from the Department of the Transportation in Canada. He can make it finish in the end of this month. After that, he can import and selling electric car freely. Yeah, Frank is one of our customers. Okay. I will post you later after the living. Yes. For Canada, we already sell to different customers for the models, cabins. let me show you. Mr. TrueTech, this model we already sell to Canada, to about 10 personal customers. They buy from us. They only buy one, so it's if you want have one, you can also buy one from us. This model they got in their hand at the cost less than 3,000 totally. It include all tax, duty, transportation, and the truck cost. About 2,500 totally from China to Canada. Yeah, weather in Canada is very good. This car is a best choice in Canada drive. You see in the top it has the top window. Yeah, welcome new guys, Mr. Kuma. Welcome new guys. Yeah, no problem. Four-wheeler is also okay. It's all four-wheeler. So anybody in the living room, if you have any questions about our electric car, you could send a message and asking here. We are a Universeecar, selling electric cars to the world. If you want, have one, just contact us. Mr. Kuma, we also want to launch in India, but do you hear about the brand Tuk Tuk? The price for Tuk Tuk compared with ours is very different. So it's not compatible to launch our cars to India. And in India, the duty tax is nearly 100%. So we normally export we'll normally export the tricycle to India in spare parts. One tires, one controller, one motor, one wheel, one hose, anything is in the spare parts. Nobody can import the tricycle to India in your whole truck. It's not good. The duty tax in India is too much. But India import the spare parts from China. Yeah. Yes. But India have too much people. They should. Yeah. The duty tax is too much for India, unless you import spare parts and build the car yourself. This is the only way. Today our leaving time is ending 6 o'clock. So welcome new guys to our living room. and thank you for the Mr. True Tech talking here. This week, from Monday to Friday, we will have a living time in the afternoon at 5 o'clock. This week, from Monday to Friday, in this afternoon. So, if anybody also interested about our living room, we can meet in the living room every day this week. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's our idea. In the past time, in the 2015, we sell this car, tricycle. In 2015, we sell this. No. One container in spare parts can loading maximum 45 spare parts of electric tricycle. Mr. Pravin, do you have any workshop and what is your job? Do you have any knowledge about the electric tricycle? Yes, 45 in spare parts packing, totally spare parts. So building electric tricycle, it's a hard job, not like the job working in the office. Okay, thanks for our guide. Thanks for Mr. TrueTech talking. Thanks Mr. Pervin. Thanks everybody which come into our living room today. We will have our same time living tomorrow at the same time, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We will see you again. Yeah. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this link. We will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.